This is Nail Driven LLC for an intro video to Countdown for Disney World Deluxe. This is the paid version that has the live wallpaper and the extra widgets. We're going to show you how to set all that up. Here I have just an icon to the actual app. It's right there. The new thing about this here is right now we have a new interface here, so when you, instead of just setting your date, we have some more options in here. I moved all of the live wallpaper settings in here. Android still makes me keep them in the wallpaper area, but under live wallpaper you got all the nice settings with the nice graphical selection here where you can select which image you want, and it will show you a larger version of it along with all the settings. Down here we have show random wallpapers, we have show the hours and minutes and seconds, we have show full screen, and we have turn off the fireworks celebration when it comes to 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes. And then we have toggle to show the countdown at the bottom of the screen. So depending upon what image, if you want it at the bottom or what other icons you're using. So these are all under here along with under the normal area for where live wallpaper settings are kept. So we can set that. Another new feature is this 4x4 larger widget. We have created a widget that has several different images here that you can use, and I'll show you about that, along with this vacation text. And that's something new also. If you want to add a title to your countdown, maybe it's a family reunion trip, maybe you're doing, like it says, wine and dine, maybe you're doing a different run Disney race, whatever, you can put it in here and it'll show up on the 4x4 widget and the live wallpaper. That'll apply to both. That is also, I put it in two places just in case someone missed it. Here's where you set your date, and again there's the text. So there you go. So we set our date up. Let's say we're going right in the middle of July because we're crazy and we don't mind the crowds. July 4th, there you go. Actually, I was there on July 4th last year. And so we have some links to some of our other apps in our website here if you're interested in those. Once you've set everything up in here, you can hit OK, and this says, hey, you have another step. You actually have to go add the live wallpaper or the widget. The app doesn't just automatically show up, and this is an Android limitation. You have to go do it. So if you know how to do it, hit got it. If you don't, hit instructions, and that'll take you to a nice website that will walk you through how to do it, whether you're doing the live wallpaper or the widget, or you can just finish this video and I'll show you right here. So let's set the live wallpaper first. So we press and hold an empty location. At the bottom, we'll use this several times. There's wallpaper here and there's widgets there. For the live wallpaper, well, we're going to go to wallpaper. So we have wallpaper. And here we can either pick home or lock and home. If you just pick lock, it's this live wallpaper isn't set up to do that. So I usually select home and lock screen. And then all your live wallpapers are usually all the way to the right. So you go all the way over. You can see I have some of our other countdown wallpapers here. But this one right here is the one that we're doing. So you find the icon. And you can, from here, if you hit set as wallpaper, it's done. You've set it. But a lot of the settings that were in that first area are also in here, just not quite as nice. Here you can come change your picture, but then it's text, not a nice graphic. If you're not doing full screen, you can change your background in here. So it'll switch it, and then once you hit that set as wallpaper, that's what actually applies it. You have to hit that. So let's hit it, that'll apply it. Now once it's set, I can go back in this other nicer menu and I can go change things. Like I can go turn off full screen. You'll see what it looks like when it's not in full screen. There you go. You got a blue background top and bottom there. But I like the full screen. So we're going to go back, set it to full screen. If you do have the random one set, just a note here, this will pick a random one each time the day changes. So the day number changes. So it'll just update and pick a random one. Every once in a while you'll hit the same one for 2 days in a row because it is random. It will pull random, and there is a chance that that'll happen. So that's the live wallpaper. To add a widget, again, press and hold, and down here we got widgets right in the center, and you need to find the letter C. This is Countdown for Disney World Deluxe, and so it's right here. I have my universal one there and whatnot, but this is the one we're going over here. I don't know if you can see that. But you click this and it gives you three options. You have the 2x1, the 1x1, or the 4x4. So this is just how many squares it takes up. The smallest one is the 1x1. You can press and hold, and that'll just put a single number. You can see that? There's a 63 right there. Press and hold. Go to widgets. We'll do the 2x1. There you go. And that has a little bit larger, has a nice little icon there with the text to the side. I'll show you the 4x4. And that's actually right here. Let's get rid of this one and we'll add it back just so you can see me add it. So open space, press and hold, go down to widgets, hit countdown, and then hold. There we go. And that'll bring in the 4x4. And you can see the text there. You can see how many days. You can see it's different than the background. And so that's how you do it. Let's see here. Some people, why would you want the 4x4? We added the 4x4 because some people wanted a nice larger picture that they can just have on their screen without it using up more battery, because any live wallpaper by design is going to be redrawing the screen as you use it, and so you can see when those seconds update, it's redrawing that screen every time, and so that does use more battery. It's now when it's turned off like that, you're not going to use any battery, so it's not going to use any more doing that. But any live wallpaper will use more, so we gave you an option here, and we will be adding more images here. Right now we just have the 4. We're going to go get some more images and convert some other ones over, but it's easy enough to update that, and I'll just update that one widget. So there you go. If you have any questions, email us support@androidmickey.com. We love to answer questions. I don't think we've ever had anyone we haven't been able to help when they've had issues. A lot of times the issues are simple, and it's just getting used to the app. And but yeah, if you have any issues, email us. Thank you for your interest, and if you have any suggestions, please send us a note. The whole reason we added this widget here was because we had some reviewers leave some reviews and say, hey, this would be nice to have. So there you go. Now you have it. So thank you very much. And again, if you want to edit that text, that's one of the new things. It's either under vacation or it's under 4x4 widget. Doesn't matter where you edit it. It's all the same stuff. So you can do a family reunion. There you go. And that'll update it. Family reunion shows up there, and it shows up there. So there you go. Have fun, and again, send us suggestions and send us questions. Oh, it just switched. There you go. 23 hours, 59 minutes. It just rolled over, and it changed the date, so it updated the image. That was cool. Thank you very much. Have a great day.